What's up, guys? You're welcome once again to David Data Channel, where we talk about data science, productivity, and faith. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about data ingestion process as an important part of your data pipeline in your modern data stack infrastructure. If this is your first time, please I'd like you to hit the like button and subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified once a new video drops in as well. Alright, so let's go into the video for today. In one of the previous videos, I talked about the modern data stack, what it's really all about. You can check that in the link above and the link in the description below. But today we're going to be looking at the data ingestion process, right? Because your data ingestion is actually the first part of your modern data stack life cycle or data pipeline, right? We said that your data pipeline has three stages, which is your ETL, which is extract, transform, load, or your ELT, which is extract, load, transform, depending on which process you're using for your organization or for your project. And today we are focusing on the extract part of things, which is referred to as your data ingestion. So what really is data ingestion? Now, your data ingestion is simply the process of moving data from point A to point B. That's all. You're moving data simply from point A to point B. That process is simply referred to as data ingestion. Now, your sources could be anything from your Internet of Things devices, could be from your social media handles, could be from your databases, could be from social media analytics tools or product analytics tools like Mixpanel and Google Analytics and stuff like that. And then you're moving this data from those sources into a destination, which could be something like your data warehouse or your data lake house or your data lake or a data mesh. All these, that process where you move this data from the sources to a destination of your choice is what's referred to as data ingestion, right? And what are the types of data ingestion? There is batch ingestion, and then there is streaming ingestion. I'll start with the batch ingestion. As the name implies, the batch ingestion simply is about you moving data from your source to your destination on schedule, right? You're not moving the data just as it is being created. The data is created and stored in your source, and then you, on a particular schedule, you ingest this data, you extract this data rather from the source into the destination. This is what we refer to as batch ingestion. Say, for example, I have a data pipeline that is ingesting data or extracting data from a source for me. Let's say every 6 hours interval, using tools like Airflow or Airbyte. I would say that is a batch ingestion, right? Because I am not getting this data just as it is being created. And oftentimes, when we use batch ingestion process, we use it for processes that are not really for real-time analysis. Remember, I said that your purpose of extracting your data into your destination is at the end of the day for analytics, right? Either for storage or for analytics. And if it is not a real-time analytics purpose from a data warehouse, then a batch ingestion process should work for you. And then we have your streaming ingestion. Now, your streaming ingestion, as the name implies, is about you streaming data from the source into the destination. Now, it happens in real time. As data is created in your sources, it is being streamed into your destination, which could be your data mart or your data warehouse or data lake house or data lake, as the case may be. And oftentimes this is used for real-time analytics, where you want to get the data as it's been created from your Internet of Things devices or from your social media handles, or whatever tools you're using. For example, as it's being created, it is being streamed to your data warehouse and then for analytics, and then result is being brought out at the end result. Yeah. And then what are some tools currently used for data ingestion in today's modern data stack? I will tell you there are a plethora of tools out there for you to use. Tools ranging from open source to paid. We have tools like Airbyte, Airflow, Apache Airflow. We have Apache Spark and Kafka for streaming. We have Fivetran. We have Stack. You have HighTouch. You have Hevo Data. There are lots of tools out there that you can use for your data ingestion process. And with the rise of these tools, your data extraction could be done much more easily right now. Even if you don't have data engineers on the team, with a local tool like Stack or Airbyte, for example, Airbyte that is open source, you could with a tool like Airbyte that is open source, you could stream in data from wherever your sources is into your destination. Right. All right. So what are some advantages of using data ingestion tools? It gives you speed, flexibility, scalability. No matter how your data size is growing, you can continuously be able to ingest this data from your sources into your destination. And it also gives you governance, right, as an organization or data engineer. Now, I should say this at this point. Oftentimes, the role that usually goes a lot with your ingestion of your data are usually with the data engineers, right? So if you're a data engineer, you would play a lot. You play a lot in this space of ingesting data from several different sources into a central location. All right. So I hope you got a thing or two from this video. Please do well to hit the like button and share your thoughts or questions in the comment section. All right, look forward to hearing from you and see you in the next video. All right, bye.